Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Visualization for Fun. Um, Today's topic is about how to access Wi-Fi when you are in a Linux installation image. For example, right now I'm in live I'm using a USB drive to install the installation image, and right now I boot this image to install my Linux. I'm in the image installation image, bootable image right now, and so first. The situation is I don't have wired access to internet, so I have to connect my computer to the Wi-Fi. So first thing is to confirm if my wireless device is activated, or in other words, if the adapter or the drive for my wireless device is installed. So right now we use a command line called IP link, and right now we can see my actually wired and wireless device are all activated. So what we want to access is the third one, WLP3S0. So next command line, we're gonna use WPA pass phrase and space, and next you're gonna input your Wi-Fi name. For example, my Wi-Fi name is net gear 13-5G. Okay, so I'm gonna and this name is coded, okay, by a pair of quotation symbol, and we piped into a new file into etc directory. I call it WPA.config, and when I press the enter button, next job is gonna do inputting your password, your Wi-Fi password. For example, I'm gonna enter the press the enter button right now, and you can see it's the flashing symbol or underline symbol is on the new line, and it's flashing. It's waiting for you to input your password, and I'm not gonna show you my password, so I'm gonna just do this. Okay, so I'm gonna type into my password. And okay, so I'm gonna clear the screen. And the next step, I've already created the WPA configure file in the ext directory, etc directory. Next step is to change its file permission. Command line code chmod, and it's 600. 600 means the owner has the permission of write and read. So the owner means you have to be the administrator of this computer, or you are the full owner of this computer. So only you can access this computer fully or completely. So, and then you change your WPA config file. So after you type all these commands and press your enter button, and you can see the mode of this file changed from the original one to 600. That means only the administrator have the write and read permission. So the last command line is WPA supplicant, and you type -I, and you typed into your as we see before, it's my Wi-Fi device is called WLP3S0. And next is -C, and followed by your configuration file. It's WPA. It's a full path of this file. And last one is -B. And okay, you can see successfully initialized the WPA supplicant. That means you have already connected to your Wi-Fi. So let's do an experiment if it'll work. So we use a ping to Google. You can see if you see some commands like this, and we just have to stop it, use Control-C, stop it, and 12 packets transmitted and 12 received, so no packet loss. That means I have been connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And that's Godzilla. Okay, thank you for watching.